Hi guys, thanks for joining us for another unbox. On today's video we're going to go through our 3G trail camera. So this is very similar to our other trail camera, except this unit you can put a SIM card into and you can get notified when it's been triggered. So let's go ahead, get into the box, I'll show you everything it comes with, and then we'll go in depth with it and have a look at where everything goes, how to plug everything in, all that sort of stuff. So inside the box we have our sealed little 3G trail camera in a lovely camouflage colour, so it's completely invisible to the naked eye. I'll just set that around on the table somewhere for you. We also have a couple of little SIM card adapters. If you didn't happen to keep yours, there's a couple of little adapters there. We also have our antenna for the unit as well, so you can get a 3G signal. A strap to secure it to a tree or a pole, something like that. Some AV out leads for your TV, so you can view directly on your TV if you'd like. The USB connection, so if you didn't want to take the memory card out, you could download it directly from the camera. And we also have our instruction manual as well. So the 3G version is also compatible with an app called Trail Camera, which is available on the iOS and Android store, and that will allow you, if you had a call and data SIM in it, to remotely trigger the camera to send you a picture. What I'm going to show you on the in-depth in the next video is how to set up for a data SIM, because that's the most common SIM card request we have had from customers. The unit does only use a Telstra SIM, so do be aware of that. But please join me on the next video and we'll go in depth with it. I'll show you what it can do and we'll shoot some test photos so you can see exactly what you get from the unit. Thanks for joining us guys, and we'll see you on the next one.